When choosing the right bed for your child's room, there is no denying that bunk beds are a popular choice for all ages. While many children want the bed because it is a fun way to sleep and is perfect for sleepovers, parents are looking at things from a different perspective. One of the most obvious space benefits of bunk beds is that they save on floor space. With one bed stacked on top of the other, you get two beds for the floor space of one. This frees up floor space for other things such as a desk, dressers, or a play area. Another of the more obvious space benefits of bunk beds is that it allows for more sleep space. With a bunk bed, you can easily accommodate any guests for sleepovers without anyone feeling cramped or uncomfortable. It is also great for siblings sharing a room so they each have their own designated sleep space. You can even go with a trundle-style bed which allows for a third mattress to be placed underneath the bottom bunk for even more sleep space. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you yet another collection wooden bunk bed design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Kids' bunk beds can be great value for money because as your children grow and change so can these beds. Whilst most kids' bunk beds are not designed to be separated, there are some which can be. This means that as your children get older and want their own space, you can separate it into two single beds. Even better, when your children eventually move out, you have two beds that could be turned into a daybed. So not only will your children love their bunk bed, but your future guests can enjoy a comfortable place to sleep as well. Sleepovers are an integral part of childhood for many. Whereas many would cuddle up in a sleeping bag on the hard floor, you can ensure your guests sleep in comfort with bunk beds. Some triple sleeper bunk beds have a single bunk up top, with a double bed underneath, meaning they'll sleep three. If you want to really go all out, then there are quadruple sleeper bunk beds, so the next time you fall asleep reading your children a bedtime story, you don't have to worry about cramping their space. Sometimes, sharing a room is inevitable due to space limitations. However, just because you're sharing a bedroom doesn't mean you won't have your own private time. With some clever use of curtains, your children can make some brilliant dens to play in or simply to shut out the world. You could also use some clip-on lamps to help provide illumination in their personal space, giving them a way to read their favorite books at night. This is also perfect in case one child likes to sleep with a light on, as it means that they won't be disturbing their sibling. Sharing a room teaches children great life lessons, like sharing and being courteous to others. It can help siblings to bond as they will be spending time together which they may otherwise not. Sharing a room can also be a handy way of implementing a shared bedtime routine, useful for twins. When using bunk beds, under-bed drawers and stairs eliminate the need for additional furniture. Another great way to save on space using bunk beds is by adding under-bed drawers. These drawers are usually on casters, so the drawers will right out for easy use. This helps to maximize space for string items such as clothes or toys. Another option for maximizing space with bunk beds is the ability to add drawers underneath stairs for even more space. These drawers can be used for toys and clothes, and in some cases, can even be used to eliminate the need for a toy chest or dresser altogether to save on space even more. Many bunk beds can be separated into two beds side by side as needed. While this may seem like the opposite of a space saver, it can come in handy if a sibling is getting their own room after sharing a room for a while. You can easily move the top bunk bed to the additional room, which will open up even more space ceiling-wise for the bottom bunk left in the original room. Bunk beds are not just for kids. Although they're more commonly used for children's bedrooms, most bunk beds will quite comfortably fit a full-grown adult. Perfect for guest rooms, rentals or flat shares, there's nothing childish about bunk beds, which are also suitable for adult sleepers. Just make sure to check that the bunk bed is capable of accommodating an adult as well. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden bunk ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.